Okay, so here we are, Good Friday, setting up for the bank holiday backyard camp. So let's have a look what we got. We got our 2-man tent here, and me and my dog in it tonight, and the wife and I tomorrow night. I've got the dog's sleep system, the Roughwear Highland sleeping bag, and the mat. I've got my sleep system, a Thermarest Neo Air sleeping mat, Sea to Summit pillow, and my mountain equipment bag, which is in the Exped compression bag, uncompressed, because the bag that came with it was useless. And here I've got my food. In there I've got my essentials like head torch, tent light, and lighters and other bits and bobs. Cook system, bowl and cup. In there I've got my table, my little camping chair, and in that bag there I've got my sleep clothes. And finally I've got my 65 litre rucksack, the Berghaus Trailhead 65. I wouldn't recommend anyone to buy that. I bought it cheap on deal. It was cheap at something like 60 quid at the end of last season. Looked like a good deal. Buy cheap, buy twice. I will be upgrading that later this year once we come out of lockdown and things start getting back to normal. So let's get this kit set up. Hey, come. So whilst I'm sitting in the garden with nothing else to do, let me tell you about a couple of bits of kit and why I've chosen them. The first essential bit of kit is your dog. The perfect camping partner. Take him anywhere, and I'm very lucky with our dog because she absolutely loves going camping and she's great with doing the miles. So the Hilleberg Alec 2. So why did I choose this particular model? Two reasons. One is the double vestibule. So you've got this vestibule on this side and another on that side, and what I like is I like to put my bag and everything and my boots when I get to camp in that one out the way, and then I've got my living space, my cooking space all here clear. The second reason is the venting options are just absolutely brilliant in this tent. They're endless different options, so I really like that. Never get any condensation in this tent. Brilliant. So another essential bit of kit, I get absolutely ribbed for these all the time. Camp slippers. These ones from Exped cost about £20, and I like them because I can put my muddy boots, take them off when I get to camp, put them in that vestibule, and I can put these on, providing it's not too wet. And then they're great for getting out the tent at night if you need to nip out to you know, if nature calls, etc. Over here, let's talk about a Jetboil. It's a luxury item in some respects based on the price of them, but it's only when you get one that you realise how brilliant they are. So I've always used like cheaper stoves. I had an OEX stove, you know, and I was going through gas like no tomorrow because they're just not efficient. Whereas the Jetboil with this little element here, they just get so much efficiency out of less gas. Expensive item. It's only when you get one that you realise how brilliant they are, and then it all just packs up and goes into the container there. So that's absolutely fantastic. Yeah, so finally my head torch here. Oh, like that, it's got some power, 1 lumen to 2,500, great battery life. I use that for all sorts, not just for camping, but for taking the dog for a walk when it's dark and stuff. And talking of lights, the OEX Powerlux, I bought that. I was going out one night camping and I forgot my light, so I nipped into Go Outdoors to pick it up as an emergency. It's been absolutely brilliant. It's USB charged, lasts for ages, nice and cheap, dead light, powerful, good bit of kit. And there we go, dog. So that's the setup, ready for later. They say rain will travel miles and miles and miles against the prevailing wind to rain on a tent. And tonight is no exception. It wouldn't be a camp if it didn't rain. So here we are, 5:30 in the morning, dog's up. Okay, lockdown breakfast. What's this? We've got tent meals, a bit like a porridge, a cinnamon breakfast porridge style. Should be quite nice. Let's get that on. There's my tent meals porridge. I have to say, I didn't think I was going to enjoy backyard camping as much as I did. I haven't camped in the garden since I was a child. And I have to say, it was great fun. So, see you on the next one.